Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix the file you're attempting to preview could harm your computer on Windows 10/11. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first method is just unblocking the file. Right click on the file like this, and you need to find the file and you need to right click on it. Okay. Once you right click on it, you gotta click on its properties, and then under general tab you gotta check if unblock, and then press apply OK. And after that, try opening the file again. But after that, what you need to do is just disable attachment manager. It's recommended to fix. You just need to press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then you need to type in this coding right over here. It's inetcpl.cpl, and then you gotta press enter, and you gotta go to security tab. Once you do that, you need to click on custom level. So let me just show it to you how it works. You gotta press Windows plus R, something like this will open up, and you need to copy this right over here, and right over here you just gotta paste it in and then press OK. And right over here, as you can see, you need to go to security tab, and then right over here you need to press on custom levels, and then you gotta scroll to maliciousness, and you need to find it. It's different on other PCs, but you just gotta find it right over here, and you just gotta find maliciousness, and right over here you might find it somewhere. And once you find it, okay, right over here, what you need to do is just set launching application and unsafe files enable, and then press click OK, and then turn off your protected view for office files. You gotta, if you got like office files, open word/excel, and then go to file/options, and then click trust center, and then trust center settings, and then open protected view and check all of them, and then press OK. Add folder to trusted locations, you got to do this, and then you just need to open Word or Excel, go to file options, click trust center, and then trusted location, click add new location, and then select the folder where the file is saved, and then press OK. And then after that, just disable preview pane. It's very simple. Open File Explorer, click view show, and then turn preview pane off, restart to File Explorer, and then fix your registry editor. After that, you need to go to Windows plus R again, and then regedit, and then enter, and you need to go to HKey current user software Microsoft Windows current user policies attachment, and right over here you gotta right click, and then new, and then dword, and then 32-bit, and then name it safe zone information, and then set value to 1, and after that just restart your PC and you're good to go. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.